Growing up in the city, I've always wondered about the peaceful life on a farmhouse, where the time slows down and happiness is found in simple, mindful moments. So, we step on a journey to Hokkaido during the summer to experience the quiet beauty of the countryside.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Second Stories. So it's 9:30 a.m. now, and we are at Asahikawa. For the past few days, we have been actually just chilling and having some seafood. Yeah, so we are in the city for the past few days in Sapporo, and we went Otaru as well. Then finally, we are in Asahikawa and Furano area. We'll be going on to a journey right now, and see you guys later.
You are a picture, and every piece seems to fall into place. You are the moment when I know that I will never be the same. And every word that I could find in the corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know. This love is the best thing I have found. Like a garden bursting through the ground. Every hope brought to life. Every day I realize this love is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing I have found.
Konnichiwa.
Ayo. Hi, doggy.
We have just arrived at our Airbnb. The moment we step out from our car, this little fur baby came up greeting us and led us to pet him for a long time.
Ayo.
By the way, his name is Moon, and he is 12 years old, so I don't think it is a baby anymore. So it's a little fur adult.
Ooh, I think someone's coming out. Let's go.
すみません。車をyour car パーキングこう
Oh,
こう
different way.
Yeah.
Side way. Okay.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
move our car first.
Okay.
はい、そうでもないです。
であと your room upstairs 26.
26. Okay.
Oh no, the dog is coming out. You see. Ayo, 可爱的。This is our room 26.
Sofa, table,
Yeah,
bed.
let's look at it.
It's gonna be cool if I could go up there.
Let me show you this room that I personally like it so much. You can grab a coffee, settle into one of these chairs, and enjoy the view of the farm by day or do some stargazing at night.
His name is Tora, which means tiger in Japanese. So I guess he's the fierce one.
This one.
Do you remember?
Nope.
Hello.
I just remember the tiger.
Her name Urara.
Ulala.
Urara.
Oh, urara, urara.
Ulala.
Hello.
Ayo, he's so comfortable.
All animals hungry.
Yeah.
So right now we are going to get some groceries and we'll be coming back for sunset shoot later. It's gonna be really pretty because the sun is going to set right about that side. See you guys later. Yep, this is the Super Chain Fuji, a grocery store. And yeah, some breakfast for tomorrow because we're gonna watch the sunrise.
As the sun sets, our drone captures the farmland's stunning change. The fields are bathed in a warm golden light. From the above, the farmland reveals its true beauty, a canvas of nature's design where shadows lengthens and the landscape softens under the setting sun. The gentle rustling of the crops and the peaceful stillness of the evening remind us of the simple, profound harmony found in nature.
So we are making dinner now. Look at these amazing beef slices. And we got this sauce as well for the Wagyu. So let's see how well it turns out. We got this microwavable rice as well. Eggs.
Woohoo! We have melon after the meal. We just took a shower after the dinner and now we are ready to get into bed because tomorrow we will wake up at around 3 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, good night.
It's foggy right now. I don't know if we can see it in the camera. It's all misty. Yep.
When the world is still asleep and the farm is shrouded in heavy mist, the headlights of our vehicle cut through the dense fog, illuminating the path ahead and guiding us towards our destination. As you arrive at the observatory, we overlook the city with only the glowing streetlights through a delicate veil of mist. We waited for the first light to break through, ready to witness the beauty of a new day unfolding. The anticipation builds as the darkness slowly lifts, revealing the serene landscape bathed in the soft glow of sunrise. After witnessing the incredible sunrise and enjoying a delicious breakfast, we take a refreshing nap and sail to explore the surrounding city. Our host, Kyoko-san, has been managing her farmhouse for over 7 years. Next year, her husband will retire and join her in his charming farmhouse. I love meeting people during travels. Their stories inspired me, and I'm always amazed by the diverse ways of people around the world live their lives.